Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. In this video, I want to update you guys about the new decision by the Quebec's Immigration Ministry. It's basically this decision is only for the student who are coming to Canada or who are in Canada, especially in the province of Quebec on study permit. So, according to the Immigration Ministry from Quebec, the student, those who have been or whose Quebec acceptance certificate, normally we call it QAC, or whose QAC are going to soon expire, will automatically get extension. You do not need to apply for Quebec acceptance certificate now. Ministry will automatically renew your QAC till December 31st, 2020. The government of Quebec will automatically extend your Quebec acceptance certificate issued to the foreign student if they were set to expire between April 30th and December 31, 2020. The ministry made the announcement on Thursday, the April 30th, and said the decision was a response to the concern of many partners in the education sector during this current situation. The decision is intended to be facilitated to the steps that must be taken by the foreign national who were in the process of completing their study permit, or but they must need to extend their Quebec stay due to the current state of emergency. Most individuals who intended to study in Quebec need to obtain a CUQ before they can apply for their study permit with the Canadian Federal Immigration. So Quebec's Immigration Ministry want to avoid all these unfairly penalizing foreign students who may not have been able to complete their program of study as planned in the winter or summer of 2020 because of the current situation. The automatic extension of CAQs will make it easier for these students to renew their study permit with the federal government because they will temporarily not be able to require to go through the CAQ renewal process. All these students can therefore submit an application to the federal government as soon as possible to have their study permit extended without need to include the new CAQ, which will allow them to maintain their valid temporary residence status and to complete their study permit or the study program when their courses will start again. Foreign students will not be required to pay any additional fees to extend their CEQs now. So there was a little update for all the international students who are going to study in the province of Quebec. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up regarding Canadian immigration. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.